Hello, hello. Chuẩn bị đi Washington đây.
Washington DC.
Yeah, how did? Yeah. Đi đây. Okay.
First class mail. Medical Park Avenue. What? For me. What is about it?
Phải được.
I already paid it. Why again?
95. Sao?
Medical Park Avenue.
Quá chị mà. Proprovana chị Virginia để sắc air Virginia các sang nó sang tổng thống làng Virginia.
Yeah, Virginia.
Ở Washington, làng Virginia.
a 6-minute slowdown and 4 miles. You are still on the fastest route.
A ver, Washington, D.C.
En media milla, toma la salida 73.
The right, the other, the mile. This one, 73. Ah, no. This is what?
Toma la
Yes,
salida
it's here.
73.
The right.
No, this is coast. Make us drive.
Too different here, I don't
Norte por
know.
Interstate 95 North.
I also know yet.
Yes, okay.
Total. Downtown? This is or no? Show by la área.
Right to this down.
Downtown Expressway. I love buildings, man. Bank, see? I told you downtown for banks. Like Peru. Uh-huh. Richmond. How you say that? I know.
Traffic in Caracas.
It's like that, my love. Have a second. It smells horrible. The gas. Black. This I have. Smell horrible. No, not true. What? What happened? Before open?
Maybe you
Take exit 4, then slide left onto the ramp to 9th Street Southwest.
Levemente a la izquierda para incorporarte a la rampa en dirección a 9 Street Southwest.
Slide left onto the ramp to 9th Street Southwest, then continue straight to stay on 9th Street Southwest.
A continuación, continúa recto por 9 Street Southwest.
Here. Huh? Here.
Are you sure? I don't think so.
What the hi? But here is like this way. What?
In
the
1,000 feet, make a U-turn.
Vuelta en U.
Oh,
This is about. What is about it? I don't understand. I think it's over there. In the thing, yeah. You can put over there in the, yeah.
oh,
Cars are over there. I don't know.
you can park in here.
Maybe. Four. Okay. Well.
En 600 pies, dar vuelta en U.
Free parking
You turn.
Dar vuelta en U.
Make a U-turn, then turn right.
You turn.
here. Oh, we go over there. Yeah, over
Look.
there. Right there.
Here I think. Here.
Wow.
You turn. Yeah. Espera. Yeah, okay.
Wow.
Turn right toward 10th Street Southwest.
If we go by the wrong way, see.
Yeah, you're right. Straight and the right. So this
In 600 feet, slide right to stay on L'Enfant Plaza Southwest.
right?
En 400 pies, gira levemente a la derecha para continuar por
Ajá.
L'Enfant Plaza Southwest.
Right side. Yeah, here.
Slight right to stay on L'Enfant Plaza Southwest, then turn right onto 9th Street Southwest.
So
Gira a la
which
derecha con
one?
dirección a 9
that's
Street
okay.
Southwest.
Here.
Right.
Turn right onto 9th Street Southwest, then turn right onto
Right
Main Avenue
again.
Southwest.
Gira a la derecha con dirección a Main Avenue
Right.
Southwest.
Now right again.
Se cago, ya te cagaste, moza. Right.
In 1,000 feet, turn left to stay on Main Avenue Southwest.
Yeah. Another one. The left.
Yeah.
Straight. Continue straight.
Yes.
Yeah. The left. put it on the left. See, yeah, okay.
In 1,000 feet, use the right lane to turn slightly left onto Independence Avenue Southwest.
Hacia Independence Avenue Southwest.
Use the right lane to turn slightly left onto Independence Avenue Southwest, then use the right 2 lanes to turn slightly right onto 17th Street Southwest.
Para girar levemente a la derecha.
Use the right 2 lanes to turn slightly right onto 17th Street Southwest.
Because here,
Para
here.
girar levemente a la derecha hacia 17th Street
Too
Southwest.
much. Yeah.
Continue for 1 mile.
This one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow. What way we have to park it?
I don't know. Got it. Yeah.
Over here, see?
Yeah. My God, a lot of people here.
Straight.
Yeah, straight. Now, yes, straight. Why he turn? What the fuck? Ay, careful, careful, careful. Ay, Dios mío, my God. Straight. Oh, this car. What? What's wrong? Just straight, straight. Why this car is like this way? Carajo, straight. Ay, Dios mío.
En 1000 pies, gira
In 1,000 feet, turn right onto L Street Northwest.
Right.
Here. The right. Yeah, here is the right. Here is the downtown. Ah. There is a taxi.
This we go straight, right? Straight only.
No. The right here.
At the light, turn right onto L Street
a la
Northwest.
derecha Street Northwest.
The right.
In 800 feet, turn left onto 16th Street Northwest.
Just straight and after the point. That's all.
At the light, turn left onto 16th Street Northwest.
Go straight.
Has llegado.
Yes, straight. Yeah.
There.
Close already. Yeah. Where is over there? I don't see it yet. I don't know.
In 400 feet, turn left onto 15th Street Northwest. Turn left onto 15th Street Northwest. In 1,000 feet, turn left onto Massachusetts Avenue Northwest.
Yeah.
Where is? I don't know. Share the road. Oh, yeah.
In 500 feet, turn right onto 16th Street Northwest. At the light, turn right onto 16th Street Northwest, then slide right to stay on 16th Street Northwest.
Yes, every car is
Take the next right to stay on 16th Street Northwest, then enter Scott Circle Northwest.
Where do you go?
signal ahead.
Enter Scott Circle Northwest, then you will arrive at your destination.
No more already. Where is the downtown?
Yeah, just around here.
¿Qué?
Okay.
Colonial Park?
Kalau nak Washington ini.
Forget it, okay?
Yeah.
Just enjoy here.
Walking track. Hey, look at that.
Similar Larcomar.
Yeah.
Same.
No picture here.
If
Wow. 2,100. Wow. Come on. Go. Recap Joe Biden teman. Ayo boh.